Yeah, sure. This is Reported Enterprise. So this is our application that we've developed for reporters out in the field. Essentially what it will give you is a duplex mono connection with the studio. So the studio can talk to the talent out in the field off air, whilst the talent is actually reporting back live to the studio. It is just simply here you've got your input levels. This is your send and return for the audio coming back from the studio. Here you have a list of codecs that are already pre-programmed and determined by the engineer. It's stored in the cloud, so when the user authenticates himself, it pulls down the user's profile. And it's as simple as the user just hitting connect. They'll get a confirmation status that they're on air. It will say it's connected here. The red means they're on air, and it also is recording at the same time. The reason why it records whilst you're on air is if you're conducting an interview and you lose your IP connectivity, you and I, as we are now, can continue our interview and then afterwards FTP the remainder of that interview back to the studio.
That's smart. That's a fail-safe.
Yes. So in addition to that, you can have pre-recorded interviews that you've done earlier in the day and insert them live into your stream. You also have the capability of putting in logo for your network,
and then if you're a news reporter, can you then upload your work straight into your news system?
Yeah, definitely. I'll just quickly show you here. So we also have built in a digital recorder, so you can actually do an offline recording, and then once your recording has been finished, you just simply go manage reports, go to today's report. I can then go in here and edit it with Twisted Wave, or I can actually share the report and select something like Netgear, Burley, and FTP it up into your news ingest system.
Thanks a lot. Is this product just something that you can download from an app store, or do you have to contact TieLine and the engineers do an enterprise deal with you?
Okay, essentially what we have is the end user or the journalist can download the app from iTunes or Google Play at no cost. The network itself will subscribe to an enterprise license, which they can scale up from 10 users to hundreds of users. So examples of some networks that we have using it are here in Australia, ABC Australia, Austereo, NRK Norway, Radio France, NPR USA. They're using it on a day-to-day basis for conducting field reports back to the studio. So it's all scalable based on what your requirements are.
Thanks a lot.